You know I'm all about that body, and its functions. I'm all about that body, and its functions. I'm all about that body, and its functions. I'm all about that body. Yeah, it's pretty clear, the body system's cool. Today we're gonna teach you and break it down for you. We got all the important info that you all crave, in all the right parts, in all the right places. Let's start with skeletal functions. We know that collagen is real, dense and super strong. If you got calcium and bone marrow, raise them up, cause every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. At birth you have about 300 bones. Adults end up with about 260, don't you know? Bones are made up of living cells. So if bones are what you're into, then drink milk and keep them well. You know I'm all about that body, and its functions. I'm all about that body, and its functions. I'm all about that body, and its functions. I'm all about that body. I'm bringing muscles back, yep. Them other bones don't know how to act, yep. Muscles are made up of elastic tissue. Lots of fibers make up each of them. Yep. Take it to the body. Every day. From the bottom, use them every day. Eyes and legs and arms and neck and digestive system. Keep stretching so you feel okay. Take it to the body. Go muscles, go.
Get your muscles on.
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 Bringing muscles back. Them other bones don't know how to act. Take it to the skin. First things first, I'm the realest. We're skin, let the whole world feel it. Hair, skin, and nails, integrated system will protect you from the world and all of that's in it. Need an organ like this, yeah? Protecting lymph tissues like this, yeah? Super thin, super strong, super important, protects you from the sun and all that's in it. Ingroomatory, protect you from the world. Hair, skin, and nails, protect you everywhere you go. Ingroomatory, protect you from the world. Hair, skin, and nails, protect you everywhere you go. Who that? Who that? Hair, skin, and nails. 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 Take it back to the bone. Bones, bones, baby. Alright, stop. Gather round and listen. About to hear about the skeletal system. Bones are tough and hold you up tightly. Keep you straight daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? I don't know. Probably when you die, though.
But that's a whole nother video, so let's go.
Bones, bones, baby. Bones, bones, baby. Bones, bones, baby. Take it back to the skin. Three layers of the skin. Epidermis is on the top. Dermis in the middle of it. On the bottom, hypodermis. Layers of layers. layers of the skin. Muscles of the body, yo. Deltoid in your shoulders, pectorals in your upper chest, abs are in your rib cage, biceps in your arms, your quadriceps are on the outside of your thighs. These are muscle body. These are the muscles of the body. These are the muscle body. Muscles of the body. Muscles of the body. Muscles of the body. Keep them healthy and strong. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, hey, hey.